Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB. Yeah, tonight we are starting this topic, electrostatics, grade 11. And we are going to do it in a series of lessons, which we would urge you to watch all of them for your complete comprehension of this matter. Okay, first of all, you must understand what electrostatics is all about. This word electrostatics is divided into two parts. There is this part, electro, which deals with charges, and the static, which means not moving. So in other words, what we call electrostatics is the study of stationary charges. So all this topic is going to be dealing with charges which are not in motion. And the first question comes, what does it say? It says, state Coulombs' law in words. Yes. How does it state? Yeah, before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe. It's me, Richard, here. The channel is PSSB. How do we state Coulombs' law? Okay, Coulombs' law states that the force which one charge exerts on another, or the electrostatic force which one charge exerts on another, is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges, and is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between the charges. Let us put that one down. So that is that. Okay, let us expound more on this one. So what do we say? This is what we have to remember, that two statements have been put across here. On assumption that F is our electrostatic force, this statement says that F is proportional to the product of the charges, and F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So when you combine these two, this is what you get. You are going to get electrostatic force being proportional to product of that charges over the square of that distance. So you have to remember that to remove the proportional sign, what do? We introduce an equal sign. And to introduce an equal sign, you have to introduce a constant. So we are going to say F is equal to K Q1 Q2 over R squared. And this happens to be that equation which is representing a Coulombs' law of electrostatics. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that for each of the statement below, state whether it is true or false. Okay, the first one says like charges repel. That is true. Okay, like charges attract. That is false. Unlike charges attract. That is true. Then the force between stationary charges is directly proportional to the square of the distance between them. That is false. It is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Then comes this one. The force between stationary charges is directly proportional to the product of the magnitude of the charges. This is true. Yeah, and with that, would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. And it's me, Richard, here. See you next time. Bye-bye.